Hey guys, today let's make multi-grain sticks cookies. So this is very healthy option from kids to the adults, and the process also very easy. This is very costly if you buy from bakery. So without any delay, we'll start the process. So for this you have to melt 50 grams of butter. So here I have taken Amul butter. You can take any butter which is available at your place. Now in this I am adding half cup of sugar powder. You can add less than this or more than this according to your sweetness you want. So mix it little by little so that it will get mixed with the butter easily. Don't add the entire sugar at a time. Now mix it until it forms like a creamy texture. So this is the perfect texture. Now this is the roasted chana dal and 2 cardamom powder. Now I am going to mix it. In this I am going to add 2 tablespoons of ragi flour. If you are making more cookies, you can increase the quantity of the flours we are using. Now here I have added 2 cups of wheat flour. So in this I am going to add bajra flour, which is easily available in online. You can add any company of bajra flour. Here I am adding 2 tablespoons of bajra flour. You can even add 2 tablespoons of besan, but here already I have added roasted chana flour, so that's why I am not adding the besan. Now mix everything and form like a dough. If required, you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk or water. Here I have added 1 tablespoon of water to form a dough. So don't over press it, gently with the fingers you have to knead the dough. So here our dough is ready. So this is the perfect dough for the cookies. Now what we have to do is, you have to take any plastic cover, or if you have butter paper you can even use it. Now grease with some oil and now divide the dough into 2 equal halves. Now form the dough as shown in the video. Now gently press with your palms and form a circular shape. Now with the help of rolling pin you have to roll it. So here the key point is, you should not roll it so thin or so thick. It should be of medium thickness. However, usually we make for cookies, it should be of medium thickness. If it is too thin, it will become hard after baking. If it is too thick, then our cookies will be very soft and it will not be good. So now I am taking some chopped cashews. You can take any dry fruits of your choice, even seeds also you can crush it and garnish it. So now gently press with your hands and with the help of rolling pin so that it will get stick to the dough. Now cut the edges to form a shape. We are not going to waste these edges. We will be using in the second half dough. Now cut it into neither thin nor thick pieces. So in these cookies, one more benefit is we haven't used any baking soda or baking powder. Usually for the cookies you have to use baking soda. So here no need of using it. So cut into the shapes as shown in the video. It should be of sticks shape. So now you have to freeze it for 30 minutes. Now this is the second half dough. Likewise you have to cut into the pieces and freeze it for 30 minutes. Now after 30 minutes you can see our cookies becomes harder. So we can easily remove from the plastic paper and put it on a baking tray. Meanwhile you have to preheat the oven at 200 degrees for 10 minutes. Now place the baking tray into the oven and bake at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. So finally our cookies are ready. If you like the video, don't forget to click on like button. Thank you.